I'm here at the SOL Conservatory Roof Systems manufacturing facility. It's a 22,000 square foot facility, and in this video Darren, the production manager, is going to give us a full guided tour so you can see what it takes to make a roof. I'm Richard Landon, rhymes with Cannon, and this is Glazing Insider.
I'm Darren Spencer, I'm the production manager and I run the facility of SOL Roofs. The process starts with all the aluminium substructure cut and labelled up into individual parts onto a stillage. As you can see, the dimensions are hardwired to the saw from the office to eliminate human error. Once the parts are cut and they're on the stillage, corresponding PVC is cut in this area. Similar scenario to the last one over there. The guys have a parts list. This is a pure manual operation. Unfortunately, we can't hardwire the chop saw, but the parts are then checked at the prepping bench over there. So we have a double check to eliminate human error, whereas we have no human error with the hardwired parts on the aluminium. As you can see, we've got the part cut from the aluminium saw. We've got the part cut from the PVC saw. They fit together. Check number one of the roof. All parts are worked through meticulously, one by one, so that every part prior to it being dispatched is ready for the fitters on site to just, in essence, fit together like a Lego kit, or in old money, a Meccano kit. Once prepped, parts are bubble wrapped for dispatch with a corresponding pack number on. The corresponding pack number enables the person that will quality control check the roof prior to dispatch will understand that it's there and it's done. The solid roof in itself is similar to the roofs that I showed you around there with the PVC. Every part is pre-prepped, pre-drilled, wrapped together in packs. Associated timbers are put on at PVC saw stage, as we've just seen there. The pre-cut insulation, the pre-cut plywood is all placed into the barrette. Any associated extras that are put on there, i.e. soffit lights. As I said there, we've got an insulation plan and we've got a plywood plan to enable the fitters, a bit like a jigsaw puzzle. The roof's 95% ready to be loaded now. All we have then is an ancillary box that needs to get picked. So we pick an ancillary box for our roofs, both solid roof and our glass roofs. The ancillary list is generated by the computer when the software preps the roof. It's picked and then somebody else comes and checks what is on here, that it matches the list, then goes in a box and goes out to the customer. 3 checks with the ancillaries. The first one, the gentleman that picks it. The second one, the person that checks what's on here prior to it going into the box. And the third check is the camera overhead that we have the ability to go back and check afterwards to say, yep, this box was picked at X, Y and Z, it's in there. Certain styles of roofs will require box gutters and aluminium substructures. All our box gutters are welded in-house and prepped in the prep area and attached to the ring beam prior to sending out. So the final check before the roofs leave the factory for delivery is a QC check that all the components that we've been asked to prep and cut and collate and pick are all together on the barrow, with the exception of any tiles that I'll show you as we get further round. These are now checked, counted, marked off on a tick sheet. Tick sheet is then attached to the box. Tick sheet leaves here, goes with the driver, goes to the customer's premises. The driver and the customer can take off the parts from the stillage that's in the van itself, and when the two marry, customer will sign for delivery and away we go. And as you can see, the corresponding roof tiles for the roof are sat waiting to get collected tonight as well.
If you have any questions about this video, feel free to leave them in the comments, along with any factory tours that you'd like to see. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Until next time.